は素晴らしき世界に今日も乾杯。街に飛び交う笑い声も見て見ぬふりしてるだけの作りもんさ。気が触れそうだ、クラクラするほどのいい匂いがツンと刺した鼻の奥、目を覚ます本能のまま今日は誰の番だ。この世界で何ができるのか、僕には何ができるのか。ただその真っ黒な目から涙こぼれ落ちないように、ああ願う未来に何度でもずっと食らいつくこの間違いだらけの世界の中、君には笑ってほしいから、もう誰も傷つけない、強く強くなりたいんだよ、僕が僕でいられるように。ただ君を守る、そのために走る走る走るんだよ、僕の中の僕を超える。
Don't stay awake for too long, don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. I'll get you up and going out of bed.
Yeah, I don't wanna fall asleep, I don't wanna pass away. I've been thinking of our future cause I'll never see those days. I don't know why this has happened, but I probably deserve it. I tried to do my best, but you know that I'm not perfect. I've been praying for forgiveness, you've been praying for my health. When I leave this earth, hoping you'll find someone else. Cause yeah, we still young, there's so much we haven't done. Getting married, start a family, watch your husband with his son. I wish it could be me, but I won't make it off this bed. I hope I go to heaven so I see you once again. My life was kinda short, but I got so many blessings. Happy you were mine, it sucks that it's all ending.
Don't stay awake
For too long,